Hello everyone, good evening. HK8 Pro just get a new update, and as far as I realized that there is not so much difference. They updated the Bluetooth speed, so when you are trying to upload a new watch face to your watch, it uploads a lot faster. You can still upload just 8 contacts to the contacts list. It's same, and they didn't fix the issue. There is an issue with the HK8 Pro Max when you connected the call feature, connect to your phone, it still keeps losing the connection. So the only thing that they have update or upgrade is the watch face upload speed. That is all. So this was a quick update. Have a good day.